Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Hermione from Harry Potter movie in this Yule ball outfit and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to color it with this color and combine it with this one and also this one. And put on these heels and make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And I'm going to go to the changing room and we're going to go to the coats item and put on this Sabrina Carpenter dress. And for the color guys, you're going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then you're going to make it glitter for all the selection. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this item. I'm going to go to this menu and put on this skirt. And for this skirt, I'm going to choose the gold 5. Make it this pink color, okay, for the first selection until the last selection. And then I'm going to move to the next area. We're going to go to this area and put on this corset, and for this corset we're going to make it this pink color, okay, for the first selection, the second selection, okay, and for the next one just leave it like that. And then we're going to change the material to glitter, and I'm going to put on this sleeves and just leave it like that. And then we're going to make it glitter. And I'm going to open this box. I'm going to access the Valentine's update item and put on this item. And then I'm going to make it this pink color. This pink color guys, and then make it glitter. And then the next one, we're going to go to the VIP room. Okay, from this VIP room, you're going to choose this skirt. And wait, let me show you the color. For this skirt guys, you're going to color it this color for the first selection, second selection, third selection, and the fourth selection, fifth selection, and sixth selection. So it can create this gradient color. And then you're going to combine it with this skirt. And we're going to choose to go 4. And for this skirt, you're going to make it this pink color, okay, and make it glitter, okay guys. And now it's done. This is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Hermione from Harry Potter in this Yule ball outfit and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.